Welcome to EncycloHub. In this video, we will discuss about the question and answers of the Persian subject, which you can see on the screen. There are lots of questions are given, and for your information, we have prepared all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. This is our WhatsApp number. You can save this number for future purpose also. Here you can see the paper in which there are lots of questions. We have prepared all the answers in the for this subject and other subject also. If you want this, we are here for help you, and you can contact anytime by call or message, anything which is convenient to you. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.